Thank you very much, Marcel. Thank you, Ambassador, for hosting us, and thanks for everyone. I was asked to talk for 2-3 minutes. I would even do it 1.5 or 2 minutes about my research. But before of this, as a young scientist that was funded by the EU programs, but before I talk for 2 minutes about my own research, I want to say that I have a couple of friends from all the institutions in Israel, and many of them were very, very appreciative and feeling that the EU support is tremendous on their career. So you thank us, but actually we need to thank you guys. Okay, a little bit about my research. I did my PhD in Hebrew University, went for Harvard for a postdoc, and then when I came back, my EU reintegration program under the FP7 was on 2 issues. One of them was developing sensory substitution devices for the blind. The idea in sensory substitution devices is trying, in a sense, to turn blind people into bats and dolphins. So the idea would be to use a camera, to use some algorithms and convert this information from vision coming from camera into sound and music, which is my other passion in life. The second part of the project was to try and look on the brain mechanisms of trying to learn to see again using these other senses. Just to give you an example, blind in the beginning are learning to recognize dots and single letters, but after 40 to 50 hours they can go into a room, recognize that it's a person, or read something, or recognize if a person is smiling, or looking away, or sad, and so on and so forth. The second part of the project, we're looking into the brain, and one of the most astonishing results we found is that actually the blind, after training, reincorporate their visual system into seeing using their ears. So in a way, the visual object recognition center or face center would operate when they learn to recognize these sounds and convert them into visions in their own mind eye. For the ERC project, we were teamed up with some researchers and neurosurgeons and ophthalmologists in the EU, and basically what we're trying to do is to build a device that would create both a prosthesis that would stimulate the neurons and in the same time would provide them explanatory signal in order to enhance and improve rehabilitation. Already at the moment, as a scientific community, we can insert in some types of blindness small arrays of electrodes and restore a vision to a person immediately, even after 10 years he was blind. But the problem is that you don't understand what he's seeing again, and part of the program will be to train his brain to see again and then study the mechanisms of this. So I have to say that due to the tremendous help and support of the EU mechanisms, I changed completely all my collaborations from the US, going to SFN and etc., at least in my case, to collaborating within the EU. So again, we thank you, I think, on behalf of everyone for this support and help, and being part of the EU community, scientific community.